What's up, guys? It's Scuba from the Rowdy's YouTube channel. And we're about to... What's up, guys? It's Scuba. What's up, guys?
Alright, and this is Jeremy here with the Rowdy's YouTube channel, and we're going to get this third brake light done on this 2017 Tacoma. Check it out. Alright guys, for this project, you're only going to need a few basic hand tools. You're going to need a couple of prying tools, so you're going to need some plastic prying tool like this, or a really small flathead screwdriver. You're going to need a 1/4-inch drive ratchet with an extension that's a couple of inches, and you're going to need a deep socket that's 10 millimeters. Alright, so the first step to taking out the third brake light is to go from the inside of the truck and pop out the two plastic clothes hanger hooks on the inside of the truck. You're going to want to use a really small flathead screwdriver and pop these out so that you can get behind the liner to access getting the light out. And then I think you just apply some pressure like that. And that piece pops out pretty easy. Okay, and the next step is to pinch this little metal thing in here from the top and bottom together and then pull the plastic hook off, just like that. All right, now that these two hooks are out, you can pull the liner back and access behind the liner, and there's gonna be two 10-millimeter nuts holding the light in place that you're gonna have to undo.
I really don't know what I'm trying to do here.
All right, so we can't get back here far enough to access the nuts to undo them to get to the light. So we have to undo the clips right here on either side. And there's gonna be a 10-millimeter bolt under there that we're gonna undo. And that's gonna kind of loosen things up a little bit. And then we're gonna take the handles off as well. And that's actually gonna loosen the liner enough for us to pull it down so we can access the nuts. All right, to get these handles off, you need to get these clips and remove them. So you have to use a really tiny screwdriver, and there's a little slot right here in the clip, and you have to put the screwdriver in there and kind of twist it a little bit back and forth and use some force and then pop this thing out.
Oh yeah, there we go. One came off a little quick, but there we go. See, that one I didn't even use the little cutouts. On that one I actually just used the top edge of it and it came out easy, but here we go. And then we'll go ahead, put these ones down real quick. And you gotta just push down the metal. There's a little metal clip in there. Look, you get that, Jerome? The little clip right there. You gotta just push it down and then it comes out. All right, now we can pop this back a little bit. Now we can give us some room here. Work. Okay. Let's see if I can get up there. Go back a little bit more, Guma. Oh, come on, you fin ratchet. Get on there. There we go. Oh, let's see. I think I'm getting it. All right, we finally got the light out. That took a pretty good long time to get that out, honestly. And yeah. All right, yeah, so you can see now that we got this thing taken out, you can see what we were trying to do. We were trying to stick this socket with the extension up underneath the headliner. And then see, this is the hole you pop out in. And you got to pull it back pretty far because you got to get around that stem right there to be able to get to the nut right there. See that?
Make sure you get a couple shots of my truck just so we can let YouTube know who's got the doper setup.
Who's got the more shit? The bird cage?
Piss off.
Yeah, we're gonna need some alcohol to clean that up after we get it all cleaned up.
Oh yeah, we are, man. Go ahead and grab me a Truly.
Yeah, truly.
First, I'm gonna plug this in.
There we go, good as new.
She goes.
There we go, and then get some good pressure on there. And then light me up inside there. Okay, hang on. I don't want to lose this nut. I'm so scared to lose the nut. We need like a magnetic socket, honestly. If you guys have a magnetic, no, I don't. But if you have one, I'd go ahead and use that magnetic socket right about now. Because this is a dangerous maneuver here we're getting into.
Is that going to be a new addition for the toolbox video? More to come on toolbox update?
Possibly, yes.
How are you gonna hold the
I can't. Oh, I think I got it though.
Did you get it?
I think so. I can't really tell.
All right, the new brake light is installed, and now we need to put everything back. So we're gonna put the 10mm bolts back in here on these side panels. We're gonna reinstall the handles right here, and then we're gonna put back the clothing hangers, and that'll cinch down the liner.
All right,
Yeah,
go ahead.
push all the clips back in.
There you go. Clips just pop into place.
See.
There we go. Oh, too easy. And then you just got to put in the little clips over top of that.
Oh, wait.
Okay, guys, so this is backwards. This is right. Oh, yeah.
All right, we'll fix it, you yokel.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Wait, hold on. Let me see that. This one goes on that
Okay.
side. 'Cause it's got a little slot on the side of the thing.
Oh, yeah, okay. So it is a little bit different.
Yeah. So that's... See how it just slides?
Oh, yeah, if you notice, look, they're a little bit different shape. This one's got a corner on this side and more of a square edge on this side. This one's got the square edge on the inside. So that's how you guys will know. There you go.
Wait.
Oh wait, yeah, take that out and put it in.
All right, so when we originally took off these clothes hanger clips, the metal piece that holds it in place kind of got stuck in there and got left behind. So to reattach it, you actually have to take this piece out and attach it back onto the clip first, and then pop the whole thing back into place.
Yep, like that. And then you gotta push this silver in. There you go.
There we go, guys, and that's all she wrote.
All right, guys, we just got this project wrapped up. We got the brake light installed. The hardest part about the project was getting the headliner down far enough so that we could access the nuts holding it in place, but it really wasn't that big of a deal. Other than that, it was a pretty easy project. I hope you guys liked the video and check us out on the next one.
And don't forget to...